Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, I am Preeti and welcome to our channel Krazzy for DIY. So today I'll be making a 3D pop-up card which stands up when we slide it. So let's begin. To make this card, we'll take a strip of paper in the dimension 26 by 12 cm. Now we shall divide the paper as per the measurements shown in the following slide. So we'll draw the lines in the measurements as shown. This is how it will look. Now we mark 1.5 cm on top and bottom of the line in the middle. Like this. Now we need to cut a slit in between these two points. So with the help of a cutter, we'll make a slit like this. Now we make score lines like this. We shall now flip the card, and I have taken these designer papers which we'll paste on our card base, like so. Now we keep our base aside and take another piece of paper in the dimension 12 by 9 cm. And now we take two textured or designer paper and paste them on both sides of our flap. And our flap is ready. Now we shall pass the flap through the slit from beneath, like so. And then we turn the card over and apply glue to the bottom fold. And now we paste the flap here. Now we apply the glue to the bottom area of the flap as well and paste the upper portion as shown. And our pop-up is ready. That's how it stands up when slided. You can write messages or stick picture in the standing flap. Now this can be presented as you guys wish, as a mini element in scrapbooks or albums, or as a card itself. So I'm taking an A4 size paper and will paste another sheet on its top. And now we'll have to decide where we exactly want to attach the pop-up. Like I want it here in the middle. Now we flip the pop-up and apply glue only to the bottom of the back side. And turn it over and paste it. This is exactly how you attach this one on any scrapbook or album too. Now our card is ready. You can paste pictures in this part and write message in the standing flap or vice versa. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.